Now the next system we're going to go over is our system called our Shield Kote system. This system is also for ponds and water features, but this system does not incorporate in a membrane. So this would be a much better system to use in a lot of applications where you are talking about an in-ground water feature, because like he said, you don't have to worry about those issues with the membrane delaminating or anything, because if you do get any negative side pressure. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is apply the vapor shield. So this will simulate your structure that you have in your pond or water feature. He's going to go ahead and just spray some of the vapor shield over that. Now it's not really going to do much on this, wall for this demonstration, but just so you understand, you have to spray your vapor shield on. And when you spray the vapor shield on, you're going to want to spray 2 coats, but at one time. So you'll spray north, south, east, and west over the same area to get your 2-coat coverage. Now the next component in our Shield Kote system is the Pond Kote. So it consists of the vapor shield and the Pond Kote together in conjunction with each other. So that system, like I said, you don't have any membrane that you have any issues with, so it's a great system to use for waterproofing water features that are in-ground water features. The vapor shield and the Pond Kote here also can be used behind your waterline tile for a pool application. So if you wanted to waterproof behind your waterline tile, this would be a good application to use for that as well. And then from there, you can go ahead and apply your thin set and set your tile. And you can also use the Pond Kote just as a resurfacing. So let's say you have a pond or water feature and it's not really leaking or anything like that, but the surface is just getting a little deteriorated and they want to resurface it. You can simply use the Pond Kote, the trowel over that, and resurface it.